This one is called The Tinker Fairy by Mandy Mazzano, and she's another one of my favorite artists. It is a round shape diamond painting, meaning the drills are round, and this was a new release that I wanted to get, and I'm going to open it up and show you the full picture, and then I'm going to show you my progress on my Easter one that I have been working on. So stay tuned. What I love about the Diamond Art Club painting is that their quality of the canvases are beautiful, and their toolkits, they just start coming out with these newer packages for the Diamond Art Club, and they have a lifetime guarantee on them as long as you just leave them as is. So if you did if something goes wrong with the canvas, you can send it back. I have done that in the past to keep it in its original form type thing with the drills on it. I did send it back with the drills, so they were very good about returning my money, and I repurchased the painting again. So I'm going to show you what the toolkit involves. So you get a cover minder. Looks like this. You get washi tape. You get some wax in a heart shape. This stops the drills from coming out the tray, which is nice. And you get these here, the comfort grip, the drill pin. And this just stops the drills from going onto the, like dropping them, which I love. So I believe this is a, let's see here, 7-placer. I think this is a 3. Hard to see. Nope, this is a 4, excuse me. And then you get baggies. So they send you this here. It just shows the DMCs, so you can put it on your containers. And you can start your start date and your end date. And then instructions, if you need it. But yeah, that's what she looks like. And here is the painting. And it goes all the way down. Look how stunning she looks. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. And then these are the drills. And there's a lot of, it goes up to 51 drills. And looks like we got some 310s, of course. That's what all the black is. This is stunning. I can't wait to get her started. So yeah. Oops, sorry. Here they are. The Tinker Fairy. Oh, she is so beautiful. So this is what she looks like. I can't wait to get her started. Now I'm gonna go show you my progress on my Easter one. Okay, so I had to go to my kitchen for this one. So here is the status so far. We've got the top here. This is my whip. Working on the grass. Got the eggs colored. A lot of the grass. Need to finish this spot right here. And there you go. There it is. Got a lot done on it. Hopefully sometime in May, hopefully. It's gonna be so, so cute. Well, anyway, guys, that is my diamond painting. I will link the Diamond Art Club down below in the description box. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just a big fan. It's one of my favorite places to get diamond paintings. Anyways, y'all take care. Happy Friday, everyone. And stay safe. Bye.